Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the SquareSpace header. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open a browser, then go to a SquareSpace dashboard, then click on the website which you want to edit the header of. Now after you are in your SquareSpace website, just simply click on edit over here. Then when you move your mouse at the top portion of the website, you will find a new type of window appearing which is edit site header. So just simply click on it. Then a new window will pop up. Over here you can change a lot of things like tiles, logos, element style, positioning and etc. So let me show you one by one. So in the first one it is site tile and logo. So just simply click on it. So over here in the site title you can change the name as you can see over here. Or if you want, you can also add a logo for your website. You can also do the exact thing for the mobile version as well. As you know, there is a mobile version as well, which you can see over here. So if you want to add a logo for the mobile version, you can add it from there. Then after that, just simply go back, then go to elements. Now over here, you will find more options like button, which will bring this type of get started icon if you want to make a sign up list for your website. You will also have the option to enable or disable social links, as you can see over here. Now if you have social link, you can also edit them from here. If you want, you can also add them. Now after that, there is a sizing of all the social media icons. Now there are benders, meaning if you want a box surrounding your icons, it will appear. So let me show you. As you can see, it is something like this. So for me, I just simply keep it at disable because I don't like it. Now you can also enable language switch, meaning if your website isn't in English or if you want the user to read it in his own original language, there will be option over here or the consumer to change the language. So if you enable the language switch, it will appear. The next option is cart. So it's pretty simple. If you enable the cart, the icon will disappear, and if you again enable the cart, the icon will appear. After that comes style. Over here you can change the icon for your cart. Let's say for example, if I want this one, I'll just simply click on it, and then as you can see, the icon has been changed. So I will again click on any icon and the cart icon will again change. So over here you can just simply choose any cart icon of your liking. Now after that, just simply again scroll down and you will find again a cart icon size to increase or decrease the size of your icon over here, as you can see over here, and the border as well, if you want it to have borders or not. It's up to you. And if you want to show what is the number of items in your cart, you can keep this part enabled or disabled. It's up to you. So after that, just simply go back, and the next option we have is style. So just simply click on it, and over here in style, you will be able to change a few settings about borders and the color themes. So firstly in the borders, just simply click on it. Then if you enable borders, there will be a black outlined border for the name of your website. You can decrease the size or you can put a custom size on it. It's up to you. You can also change the positioning of the box. It is completely up to you, but for me, I just simply keep it disabled because I don't like it. Now the next thing is colors. So just simply click on this icon over here. It probably will be dynamic if you are doing for the first time. So now over here you find few options like solid, gradient, theme. So if you want to change color, just simply choose any one of them. Then over there you will find many types of theme options. So if you just simply click on any one of the colors, the header color will change. Let me show you. As you can see right over here, it is something like this. So just simply play around and see which color you may like. So for me, I just simply like to keep it dynamic because it is much more cleaner and sleek looking. So after changing the colors, again come back, and over here you will find fixed position, meaning if you keep this fixed position enabled, if anyone is trying to scroll your website, the header will always stuck at the top part, and where your header should stuck, you can change the option from over here as well, like scroll back or basic one. So for me, again, I just simply like to keep this off. And you can also edit the websites for individual devices like PC and phone. So go to your PC icon or desktop icon, and over there you will find few more options like header layout, like this. If you want it centered and your name at the center, or your menu and the title at the very center, you can just simply change it over here. Then comes the width, so you can change it over here. Then comes the virtual padding, which you can increase and decrease, it is up to you. Then comes element spacing, again you can increase and decrease, it's up to you. And in the end comes link spacing, again it's up to you how much you want to increase it or decrease it. And you can do the same thing for the phone version as well. Over here again, like overlay menu, the menu icons, and the thickness of the menu icon. So that's it. That's how you can change header in Shopify. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.